A goal with no plan is called a delusion. You need a plan in order to achieve your goal. So, what if we start with this plan?
What's up everybody, and welcome to Let's Make Cosplay! In today's video, we will be making an awesome prop. I hope you like My Hero Academia. If that's so, you will love this project. Cause today, we're gonna make Overhaul Mask. Yeah, I'm talking about Kaichisaki's alter ego, Overhaul, whose mask is based upon those spooky masks used by plague doctors in times of epidemics. Well, now it is time to start. But before that, let me tell you something. I have prepared some templates that will allow us to make this project as easy as pie. And the best part about it is that we bring you these templates completely free. So, go to this video's description and download them as soon as possible. As you can see, the templates are arranged in 5 pages. We arranged them this way so you can print them in your house's printer. As you may notice, in the first 3 pages of our PDF, we have the main piece. In the 4th page, we have the front piece, the rivets and the little gears. And finally, in the last page, we have the mask supports that will allow us to put an elastic band that will hold it to our face. Let's start by cutting and assembling our templates. These templates are meant to be used with 4 through 6 mm EVA foam. Now that we have our template assembled, we proceed to draw the outer perimeters of the main piece, frontal piece and bow supports. Don't forget to draw the center and inner lines, because this will be very helpful in the building process. Once you are done with the tracing, it's time to cut all the pieces. Now it is time to use your heat gun to heat shape the main piece. First, we will follow the center line and bend the piece by it. Then we will apply heat and start heat shaping it. It's very important to form the curves of the mask, but don't forget to shape it so it could fit your face. This is a harsh process, but it's easier than it seems. If you want a piece of advice, you can try on the mask from time to time and look in the mirror until you are happy with the result. Don't give up, and you will get an amazing result. That's why Cosplay's book rule number 5 says that effort gives us more than money invested. Once you're satisfied with the shape of the main piece, we can proceed to the next step. To shape the front piece, we need to apply heat to it and shape it on top of the main piece. By allowing a distance of 5 mm from one piece to the other, we pin down the front piece on top of the main piece, and then we draw the silhouette of the farmer. To make the curves of the mask, we cut stripes of 2 mm EVA foam. Now, it is time to make the holes from which the core will go through. First, we draw the position of the holes, and then with the help of a cylinder, we drill them. With the rear part of a big needle, we sew the EVA cord. Now, we glue the front piece with contact cement. The next step is to make the rivets. I know that I have provided a template for them, but it's way easier to make them by using a PVC pipe. By using pins, we proceed to mark their positions. With an X-Acto knife, we cut the gears, and then we pin and draw their centers. After that, we cut the holes in the marked positions using our PVC pipe. Once done, we glue all the rivets and gears using super glue. We have almost finished the building process. The only thing that's left is to glue the supports. The process is the same as before. First we place the supports in the rear part of the mask. Then we pin them down and draw their perimeters. This vertex needs to be aligned to this edge. You may need to try on the mask and align the supports as many times as necessary until the mask fits you perfectly. Once you got the perfect fit, it's time to glue the supports. We have finally finished the building process, and the mask looks great. But there's one more step before we actually finish this prop. That's the paint job. Well, before that, we need to seal the foam, and to do so we will use Duplicolor's custom wrap. By sealing, we will avoid the paint to be absorbed by the foam, and the colors will be brighter and easier to apply. After 3 layers of our sealer, we can start the painting process. I was lucky enough to find this midnight burgundy, because it works like a charm when painting this prop. That's because this is the perfect base color. To paint the mask, you can either use paint brushes or an airbrush. make it look even better, we add some weathering using old base paints. This way it will look a little greasy and it will have a lifelike touch. Once we have finished applying the oil paints, we take a disposable cloth and clean it, leaving some traces of it. The mask is done, and if we want, we can protect the paint job by applying a clear coat. To finish it, we add a pair of elastic bands to it so we can finally wear it. Well, that's it! I hope you liked this project. This is the first time I'm doing something in English, so be considerate. And if you have actually enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment so we can keep doing more English content. See you soon! And don't forget to come back so we can keep making cosplay.